Okay, I have fitted the machine ready, and first I will show you the welding for the machine. Okay. Okay. Okay, it is very tight. Okay, no problem. Okay. 下一个，two more. Okay. Okay, the last one. Okay, the welding is no problem. Then I will briefly how to use this machine. First, this level is for adjust the up and down for loose the machine head. When you lose the level from here, and so you can lower the wheel at this side to make the machine up and down. So this is for adjust the machine head, but here we already set for you. You can use it directly. And back to here, okay. Okay. Seat, okay. This is the seat. Right now, this is the power, 75%. 75% power we use for this product, and this is the quantity. This you can set to 0, and the mode is automatic. We can place and hold this button, make it check to debug mode. At the debug mode, it is for install the mode, install the horn, the mode. This one is when you install or setting this one, the mode, you need to use this debug mode to adjust and setting the mode. Okay, this is at debug mode. The setting is not work, so you need to place and hold to make it change to automatic. So at this mode, you can place the set button to adjust the power, the up and down. This is increase the power, okay. And the next one, this is the time mode. That means the delay time is 0.7 delay. Then the welding time is 0.8. The ultrasonic welding time 0.8. This is the cooling time. This time is cooling time for hold. After the welding, the machine will hold for another 0.3 seconds. Okay, so this is sonic. You can check if the machine horn machine mode match the frequency of the machine. Okay, this only. Okay, that's all I think.